This one is called the gardener. Well, I sense a runner in the garden, although my judgment's known to fail. Once built a steamboat in a meadow, 'cause I'd forgotten how to sail. Well, I know the runner's going to tell you.
Basically, looking at behind me is a demonstration of what you can do with your lawn. We're basically establishing new trails and creating an educational garden.
So I could stay the tallest man in your eyes, babe. I sense a spot.
I came, you know, to learn a thing or two, and it's been fun too.
And I guess we'll read it in the smoke now.
Everyone seems to be doing quite a good job planting on their own, so we're assisting with the planting.
Now my flag up in the pole, so now he's buried by the lily.
I have been on the board ever since day one, so I'm very fond of the place and think we're doing a great job.
From all the lies that I've told, and I know we have your private number.
I came up with a design for the garden based on the native plants that are in Cal Park. So natural plant assemblages.
Puppy in your league. So now he'll fertilize the roses, so I could stay licking you see in your eyes, babe. In your eyes, babe. Well, now we're dancing through the garden, and what a garden I have made.
What's your favorite part about today?
Seeing all the people, all the laughter.
Enjoy the nice setting and great company.
Seeing all these amazing volunteers and just seeing the plants actually go in the ground.
But the sun is shining and it's wonderful, and it's great to see all these plants going in.
And I gotta also say that just getting my hands in the dirt.
You won't know that I'm a gardener, I'm a man in your eyes, babe. In